Hello. Good morning. What can I get for you?
Hello. Um, Coffee. Say coffee. Don't make a mistake.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee, please.
Great. One coffee. Anything else?
No, thank you.
Here you are. That will be 3 pounds.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too.
The coffee was good. Now I see beautiful flowers. I want to buy flowers.
Hello. This, how much is this?
Hello. This beautiful rose is 5 pounds.
5 pounds? Okay. I will take one, please.
Wonderful choice. Here you are.
Thank you.
Welcome back. Another coffee?
Yes, please. And one croissant, please.
Here you are. That's 5 pounds, please.
I bought this flower today. It's beautiful.
It is beautiful. A lovely rose. Did you have a good morning?
Yes, I spoke English many times. I was afraid, but now I am happy.
That's fantastic. You are doing great. Never be afraid to speak.
Thank you, Liam. You helped me.
It's my pleasure. Keep practicing.
Today, I found London's secret gate. It's not a place. It's not a door. It is my voice. It is my confidence. Every time I speak, I open the gate. It is okay to make mistakes. Mistakes help me learn. I am learning English. I am speaking English. I am happy.
Let's review our new words and phrases from Sophie's day. Wake up. Make coffee. Eat breakfast. Get dressed. Bus stop. Tickets. How much? Coffee. Croissant. Thank you. Mistakes. Confident. Secret gate.
Thank you for watching my story.
We hope it helped you learn English.
Did you learn new words?
Did you understand our story?
You can listen again to practice.
Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Don't give up.
Have a good day and keep learning English.